Are you going to push me today? I might need to push up that one hill.
I just hope my bike isn't grumpy today. I was happy yesterday, my bike wasn't.
Nothing went wrong. I'm busy doing a bit of business on the way as well, eh? Someone needs to work to earn a living, not ride just bicycles.
Hard day, second day. It's lovely, beautiful. Glad the wind's going this way.
Quite nice, eh? Much better than yesterday. Really enjoyed it. Nice and fast.
No problems today, eh? Very nice day. Very nice day today. Very nice conditions. No dust. Mud is there, but not too much. I like it.
My jockey broke. The inner cage broke. So it's I can't put pressure on the cassette, otherwise the chain will come off the whole time.
Can you tell Mike we want KTMs next year?
Today's a day that I would take horseback pusher.
Happens when you surfing instead of mountain biking and there's a sandbank in the way. So yeah, just came over the bars.